for outdoor use only. We're going to have a lesson on fireworks safety. Do not hold this in your hand, children. Under close light diffuse vision. And get away. For run, only. But not too far. Place on a level surface. We have do not hold Stegosaurus, children. Dinosaurs, and light butterflies and flowers. And get away. Crystal fountain. Run. But not too far. Puppets. We want to see it. We also have sparklers, but they're not here right now. We'll go find them later. Have a happy 4th of July and be safe, children, okay? Okay, teacher, okay.
Breezy, what should we do now? I don't know. Okay, children, today's the last day of school, so bye, everyone. Bye! Ah! Bye, Bree! Wait for me! Wait for me, Kyle! Okay, yeah, Fedora. Bye! Bye! Okay, children. So today is the 4th of July, and these are TNT, so these stuff are very dangerous. Items that may hazard misused. Use outdoors only. Use only under close adults. Supervision. Read warnings and instructions on each item. Use only under close adult supervision for outdoors. Use only. Place on level surface. Do not hold in hand. Fuse and get away. Okay? So, let's do the crystal fountain. Use only under close adult supervision. For outdoor use only. Place on level surface. Do not hold in hand. Light fuse and get away. Caution, flame will emit flashes of light. Read carefully the outer cautions on side panel. Now it's time for puppets. Read carefully other cautions on top panel. Bye, everyone. See you later. Class is over. Bye. And now you can end the copy. Oh, wait. Before you go, I forgot something to read. This butterflies and flowers. Use only under adult supervision for outdoors. Use only. Place on level surface. Do not hold in hand. Light fuse and get away. Okay, everyone. Bye. I'm gonna wave everybody. Okay.